Good day, and thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith on this rainy Wednesday, May 8th, 2013, with the video forecast discussion. And as been advertised over the last several days, we have a swath of rain moving into northern New Jersey this morning, particularly the New York City area, northeastern New Jersey. There has been some thunder, too. Just about everywhere is cloudy, and temperatures this morning are mild. They're in the upper 50s to lower 60s across the region, and the winds are all from the northeast across northeastern New Jersey, and they're primarily from the east across central and southern New Jersey as well. There's a little bit of fog here at Millville and Atlantic City. Some of this will probably scour out as some of the heavier rain moves to the north across the region this morning, and some of the cloud cover begins to thin out a bit. It's still going to be a cloudy day with rain in parts of the region, but some of this fog will begin to lift a little bit, and we have some fog here across the Chesapeake area as well, and down through the northern mid-Atlantic and the Delmarva region. We also have quite a bit of fog this morning across southeastern Pennsylvania too. And the upper low was over the Tennessee Valley, and surface low too, and this will be drifting north and over the forecast region today, tonight, and early on Thursday. And we see a big moisture fetch from off the Atlantic waters this morning, and as a result we've seen some thunder too across portions of northeastern New Jersey, and there's some thunder here in these storm cells off the mid-Atlantic coast states right now, trying to get into the New York City metro area shortly. And some breaks in the clouds, but still quite a lot of fog down in southern New Jersey this morning as well. Watches, warnings, and advisories this morning. We do have a few of these. We can get to these in just a moment. We do have a flash flood warning in effect from the National Weather Service in Upton, New York. That's for Manhattan, Staten Island, Hudson County, and also Kings County in Brooklyn until 9:15 this morning. Again, flash flooding in the area of thunderstorms training over the area, moving northwest at about 20 miles an hour, and additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Excessive runoff from the heavy rainfall will cause flooding of urban area highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. And we showed you that with some of the rainfall that was occurring over the region this morning with the thunder, and more thunderstorms just offshore. Meanwhile, we have small craft advisories for hazardous seas for just the entire area now through late tonight. Southeast winds at 10 to 15 knots, seas 4 to 6 feet. And then there's a chance of thunderstorms this morning, which is ongoing, and then a chance of showers late this morning and afternoon. A slight chance of thunderstorms as well. Tonight, southerly winds 5 to 10 knots, seas 4 to 6 feet. And on Thursday, southerly winds at 5 to 10 knots, seas 3 to 4 feet. Thursday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Friday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southerly with gust up to 20 knots in the afternoon. Friday night, southerly winds increasing to 20 knots, and there is a chance of thunderstorms with visibilities on Friday night 1 to 3 nautical miles. Saturday looks to be a pretty stormy day, 15 to 20 knot winds out of the south, seas 4 to 6 feet. Chance of showers through the day, chance of thunderstorms through the night. Showers likely through the night too. Visibilities 1 to 3 miles. And Sunday, west winds for Mother's Day, 10 to 15 knots, becoming northwest and decreasing in the evening, then increasing to 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Showers are likely in the morning, and then a chance of showers through the night, although most of Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening should be dry at this time. Here's our moisture coming in from off the Atlantic with those thunderstorms around the New York City metro area this morning. More rain and showers and thunderstorms approaching from off the coastal waters of Long Island and southern New York, and this will be moving into the region during the next hour. And as the upper low approaches from the Tennessee Valley during this morning and this afternoon and tonight, we can see the cloud tops here on the infrared imagery beginning to cool quite a bit. So this is upper level temperatures are becoming cooler here. The cloud tops are also becoming cooler, and there is a lot of more instability in the atmosphere. So hence the reason why we're seeing these enhanced colors here over the New York City metro area early this morning. And there's quite a lot of enhancement here across the waters south and east of New York and Long Island and southern New England, and this rain and will be advecting westbound actually inland towards the coast again in these northern areas of northern New Jersey, the Poconos, southeastern New York, and western Long Island and the Hudson Valley over the next couple of hours. And as I'm recording this morning, there's thunder going on outside as well. Here's our upper low now across the Tennessee Valley, and slowly moving north along this boundary here, which is adding the lifting focus and mechanism to these cloud tops, which are cooling across northeastern New Jersey and rapidly over the ocean. So as a result of this, this is where the enhanced heavy rain downpours and localized flooding exist in the New York City area this morning, with these cloud tops cooling and thunder overhead. Starting out with the NAM-WRF composite reflectivity product from Penn State's eWall site, we can see the NAM building in the showers and thunderstorms across the region. If we went back to earlier this morning when this is supposed to be forecasting it, you can see the models developing the showers and thunderstorms just about properly across the northeast area, advecting in from off the ocean. Let's continue this now. And as we see that happening, most of the heavier rain will be lifting to the north and northeast during late this morning and this afternoon. There could be even a few breaks of clouds from time to time, but there will be more showers about the area, scattered about the area this evening, overnight tonight, and into early tomorrow morning as the low begins to lift off the northern New Jersey and New York City coastal waters. And then clearing skies, lots of sunshine. And basically what we're going to be looking at here for the day on Friday, after we get through any low cloud showers and thunderstorms with breaks on Thursday, is Friday is going to turn partly sunny to mostly sunny in spots, and definitely high cloud cover, but temperatures on southerly winds are going to soar into the 70s. It's not out of the question to see temperatures approach 80 in parts of the Philadelphia region. Most of the regions, though, will see cooler conditions along the immediate coast, with the onshore flow, or southerly flow rather, advecting in from off the ocean into the barrier islands, and along the south shore and east ends of Long Island as well. But temperatures inland on Friday will get well into the 70s. And again, this is the NAM forecast for Friday. Look at this. Temperatures in the 80s here across New York City, northeastern New Jersey, Newark, down through Trenton, Philadelphia, also parts of central and southern New Jersey, inland barren areas getting into the low 80s, 70s across northwestern New Jersey and the hillier climes of the Poconos. Look at right along the immediate coast where temperatures are going to be held into the upper 60s with southerly winds. GFS forecast in motion now. Here's our upper low across the Tennessee Valley, lifting gradually through the New Jersey, New York City metro area, and then offshore later during the day on Thursday. As a result, showers and thunderstorms about the area, especially this morning. Total rainfall amounts 3/4 to 1/2 inch. And I want to stop this here and go manually here. As we get through Friday, high pressure, let's back this up. Here's our one low moving across and lifting northeast off the coastal waters on Thursday morning. And by Thursday afternoon, there'll be some mid-level disturbances around too. Here's another upper-level low and surface low across southeastern Canada, and another disturbance forming here across the Central Plains. What this means going forward is weak high pressure will build in during the day on Friday. Temperatures on southerly winds will soar into the 70s. Inland, possibly even the low 80s in parts of northeastern New Jersey, as I just showed you, parts of Philadelphia, central and southern New Jersey as well. Cooler along the coast with that onshore flow, and it'll be quite a breezy day too, because we have a strong disturbance here that will be developing. And look at this, showers and thunderstorms across the upper parts of the southern Great Lakes region, and that will be approaching our region during the day on Friday afternoon and Friday night. So as this frontal boundary and surface wave move along this front, showers and thunderstorms will be redeveloping probably later Friday night into Saturday. Saturday looks like a pretty rainy day here, at least at the beginning parts, especially across northern areas. And then as we get through the day on Saturday into Saturday evening, the front will come through the region. But notice what happens. We have a plume of moisture here, and as the front is making its way off the coast, an area of low pressure develops across the Delmarva region. But we have drier air and cooler air coming in on the backside as this deeper, cool pool develops across southeastern Canada and the Great Lakes and moves towards the mid-Atlantic coast states. We can see by Sunday, Mother's Day, the front is now off the coast. Drying is occurring over inland areas as high pressure builds in, but it's a cooler air mass, and most of the rain now associated with this surface wave along the southern extent of the front remains to the south and then out over the ocean. So hopefully we'll find cloud cover on Sunday, but probably drying out during the afternoon hours. And that means not all of Mother's Day will be a total loss as high pressure begins to build into the region. But notice how these heights are very cool here. So we're going to have seasonal temperatures, but cooler under this upper trough here across across the northeastern states. A high pressure at the surface building in from the Central Plains and southern states eastbound through early next week, and the cold pool looks to last through at least Tuesday. Temperatures begin to modify with southerly winds again, and another disturbance moving across the Great Lakes in southeastern Canada will push another frontal boundary in our direction, probably during the day on Wednesday or Thursday. This might be a little bit too early to bring some of this in, but we could have more rain around here in the middle part of next week, and we do need it because we are definitely about 5 inches below in northern New Jersey and the New York City area for the year total, and about an inch or two, actually about 2 inches below normal for the last 45 days. So umbrellas are a must today and tonight and early tomorrow too. Friday looks to be a great day. Saturday, more rains on the way. That could linger into early Sunday morning, but most of Mother's Day should be fairly dry with sunshine breaking out across the region as well, and temperatures cooling back down into the 60s. For GardenStateWeather.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Be safe and careful out there today driving, and we'll see you bright and early again on Thursday morning.